Hey guys, morning. The lighting is amazing. It's midday. We were doing a lot of work in the room, but wanted to show you really quickly my feet. I'm wearing my Steve Madden sneakers, Zara office pants, and then I'm wearing this tube top. I think H&M or Bershka. I'm not too sure. I will put the full detail. We are going to the Burj Khalifa. I'm really loving how my hair is looking. He influenced me to wear sneakers today, so shout out to Mom and T. But that's the fit. I'll see you. Thanks a lot for that, love. Thank you. Top of the wall, baby. Literally, actually. Right? Nice burn, but it doesn't burn me.
Substances and colors.
I've seen like there's like a black room which absorbs color. You go, you don't see any corners. Like the darkest black.
Like that. So there's also like blackness.
And then people go stare like, yeah, I see. And then they start crying because it's so deep. So for the $70. Sure. Handsome man.
Get rid of the screen. Yeah, we could. There's a Persian superstore right over there.
Hello guys, good morning. Probably should stop meeting like this, mirror to mirror. So yesterday we went to the Burj Khalifa. Exquisite. Loved everything. We had an up close and personal experience. We went to level 125. Loved everything. Took a lot of great content. You guys will have seen it by now, but I'm just giving context of what happened. And then we went to Tribes Dubai for dinner and a late night show. We were set by the table next to the Dubai fountain, and I don't know, it was great. I had a great time. The food was also impeccable. And then since we were in the Dubai Mall yesterday, we ended up seeing the sculpture waterfall. You know the one I'm talking about. You saw that too.